Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to NexAIoT Vision Gateway Introductions. I am Jamie, Product Manager at NexAIoT. My team focuses on building intelligent data connectors. Currently, our Vision Gateway have three types of products. The VIC7100 entry-level data extracting system, the VIC7300 high-performance data extracting system, and last but not least, the VIC7200 entry-level data streaming system. In general, a machine controller can be either PLC-based or PC-based. Most PLC-based machines have standard protocol to communicate with, vice versa. The PC-based machines are often made by diverse machine makers, so there's no standard protocol to communicate or transmit data out of them. To overcome that problem, our VIC7000 use the monitor signal to extract data from the PC-based machine. No actual driver or software needed to support the deployment. The Vision Gateway product uses a non-protocol or non-intrusive technique to extract data. There's completely no risk while using and running our device. The VIC7000 product supports HTML5 and SQL, allowing users to connect to them via internet. Let's go live. I'm gonna connect to a VIC7300 in a NexAIoT factory via network. Okay, we could say that the VIC7000 breaks through the distance limits and facilitate centralized management. Besides, the VIC7000 product comes with event conditions, and this function becomes more useful and powerful when combined with the keyboard and mouse emulator on VIC7000 product. By well managing this kind of functions, user can turn pages or trigger event condition when needed. In this technical showcase, we use a VIC7300, this kind of device, to extract data from a wafer edge grinding machines. Here we have the model only. The real machine is way bigger than this. This kind of machine is often seen on the SMT production lines or in PVC factories. Normally, the machines come with a monitor located here and a keyboard or a mouse. The production information of the machine is displayed on the monitor. Of course, things that we must mention here is those production information this only appears on the monitor. There's no other way to extract data from this machine. That leads to the demand of the VIC7000 product. Just split the monitor signal of the machine and connect it to our Vision Gateway. And then on the VIC7000 product, select the data to extract. In our product series, we use the region of interest to extract data. The extracted data is lit on the left side of the interface. As you can see here, the target color number 1, target color number 2, and so on. This real-time data can be transmitted via TCP/IP, Modbus TCP, RESTful API for further analysis. For example, AI applications, statistical, and much more. Okay, so people may ask, what happens if errors occurs on the machine? When there's errors emerge in the machine, the VIC7000 will capture the monitor and push out the notification via email, line, or WeChat. Let me show you that I got a line notified. In this message, we will see the error code tested here and the screenshot taken at the moment the errors occurs. This information is very useful for user that help user quickly comprehend the situations. Besides, the VIC7000 product is designed to support smart factory or automated production lines. For example, when the production line is in operations and there's the abnormal appears on the production lines, the VIC7000 can receive the signal from the data server and emulate the keyboard and the mouse of the machine to adjust the parameter on the wafer edge grinding machine. By doing that, user can achieve machine-to-machine or person-to-machine communications. So again, this is the NexAIoT Vision Gateway introduction. Please visit our website or contact us for more information. Thank you.